Alrighty. We're at lighting install in Bowie. Donnie, is that new ladders? Is that new ladders?
Yeah.
Finally? You like them?
Yeah.
Don't let Jacob have them. Never get them back. Don't let Jacob see them. 150 or 100?
150.
When did you guys get your ladders? Friday? Thursday?
And the last week,
Yeah. Look nice.
Yeah.
Good work, Donnie. He's a good man here.
Yeah.
Downlight coming down off of that peak. Uplight here on this maple. On this red crimson maple over here.
Yep.
Uplight on the house. Uplight over there. It's gonna look sharp. I'm gonna get past her one evening this week. Take a look. It's gonna get dark now to like 8:15, 8:20.
Yeah, it's going late.
Yeah, it's good though. All right, a lot of daylight. And heck, it's early at 5:45. It's you got daylight now. Not like the winter time. 6 o'clock, dark. Never liked that.
Like it.
Huh?
Don't like it.
No. Nope. 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 So we're going to head to another job site. We're waiting on somebody here for a minute, but we're going to meet them over up in Middle River, and we're going to take off. You ready to take off?
Yep.
All right, let's hit it. All right, Donnie, what you got going on here? You replaced how many valves?
One.
One?
Yes, sir.
Is that up front or is that out back?
Front.
Out front?
Yes.
Let's walk around there real quick.
Okay. Yes. Valve.
New valve?
Yes, on 3.
Okay.
Yes.
All good?
Yes, sir.
So we'll cover this back up, or you still got to work here?
It covered back up.
Okay.
Yes.
Go ahead and put your lid back on.
Yes, and the sun 5 is all the way there.
All the way here?
Yes.
But you're all good now?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay.
I fixed PVC line.
Was it?
Yeah.
Broken?
Yeah.
That's down here?
Yeah.
Broken right here?
To here.
Gotcha. Okay.
And sketch 40.
Schedule 40, put the
Yes.
rocks back over it.
Back over.
Yeah, Schedule 40 is nice for protection.
Yes.
Good work, Donnie. Good work. Pow! All right, let's go out back. So you're going to head up, Aquarius, pick up some lights, head to
sir.
another job site.
Yeah.
Then after that, what you got?
I got one more sprint setup.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you're going to reach out with Rudy.
Yeah.
Maybe go down Pettybones, knock that out. What else you got?
Rudy's Pettibone or?
Yeah,
Yes.
he did a couple rolls of drip air on Saturday,
Yeah.
but he said he has to return. So maybe reach out. And then I got to get you back to Stevensonville. Remember that job you did with Drew with that pump system in Stevensonville like a month ago? We got to add like 40 feet of pipe and 3 boxes.
Oh.
So we
yeah, that's true. That's talked to me
this morning.
before. Yes.
So we need to get back here this week and add that for the lady. That was lady has putting the pool in, right? Or has the pool finishing up. Anyways, he needs a little bit more TLC. A little bit more TLC. How's your helper? Good?
Yeah.
Good man.
Yeah. It's Rudy's uncle thing.
Rudy's uncle?
Yeah.
Good worker.
Yeah.
Nice guy.
Yeah, that's nice.
Makes it nice working with guys like that who want to learn the trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He's not afraid to take direction. He takes direction, works well, always has a smile on, always trying to help.
Yeah.
All righty. We're going to head to another job site. Donnie, appreciate you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Talk to you soon.
Yep.
Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.